Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going to the Capri Tools website, and also big shout out to Capri Tools. Thank you so much. Capri Tools does kind of like a member spotlight. It varies anywhere from YouTubers to professional race car drivers, motocross, mechanics, technicians. I mean, a wide lineup of individuals who use their tools. They kind of do a spotlight on, and I've seen some really good articles the last few months. The Bearded CB82 was on there. A couple professional race car drivers were on there. Really good stories. Even a couple mechanic shops, and it's just always a good read. Well, last month I got an email from them asking if I would be interested in being the spotlight member for September, and I was extremely happy to hear from them about that. I think it's awesome. So I kind of filled out a questionnaire and sent them some pictures, and they put together this awesome article. So if you guys are interested in reading it, I will have the Capri Tools website linked down in the description for you guys, and you guys can read that article. I'll show you where it's at on here. But they also have a new flex head angle impact wrench. I have their stubby impact, this one right here, the 3/8. And this thing is fantastic. I use this a lot with the 3/8 stubby impact socket set that I have from Capri Tools, and the combination there is great because you can access a lot of tight areas with those stubby sockets and a stubby impact. The other great thing is you can rotate the head of this impact in any direction you want, so that's really nice as well. It spins in a 360. And it has 415 foot-pounds, so for this compact size, it is a very nice little impact. Well, then they went ahead and just released this guy, which I thought I had never seen a design like this before. I mean, it's literally a flex head ratchet, but impact. I personally haven't seen another design like that, so I thought it was really cool. So my stubby impact is great for working in the engine bay because of those tight restrictions. And there was actually I think I was working around my steering box trying to access it with my impact, and I couldn't quite get it because the tool was compact enough, but the length of the tool affected me fully getting on the fastener, where this would have easily gotten in there because it's even more compact, plus you have the ability to kind of get the handle out of the way. So I thought this was a really cool design. Figured I'd show that to you guys. So extremely compact, and you still have 220 foot-pounds for the 3/8. The trigger or handle assembly also rotates 360, so you're able to turn the handle 360 and flex the head. So I think that's very cool. So up to 369 foot-pounds of nut busting torque, maximum torque, and working torque. So definitely for this compact, because this is even more compact than the compact one that I have. And then the half-inch drive has 400 foot-pounds. We'll just kind of take a look at that information down here. So 970 foot-pounds of nut busting torque, 400 maximum torque, and 333 working torque. So for the compact size of these things, they are pretty dang powerful. And just the versatility of these, I can definitely see how these would be very handy. So here is where the article is if you guys would like. They also have a compressed version of the article in the monthly ad. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll be doing a video on the monthly ad as well, so stay tuned for that video. But there is a compressed version of this article, and it kind of goes into my backstory, how I got into the automotive field, the things I'm interested in, how I've progressed through the professional field, my YouTube channel and how it got started, and what it all consists of. So kind of like a full background on me as far as getting into YouTube and working through the mechanical professional side of everything. And then I kind of go into my military experience and how I got out of the military and into the automotive field. And I just kind of filled in a questionnaire, and they did a fantastic job kind of putting this picture collage together and making this article. They did a fantastic job on it. So if you guys have a little bit of time, 5-10 minute read, it's a very good article. They did a really good job on it, and I can't thank them enough. I really appreciate them reaching out to me and asking if I would like to do this, and I'm really glad I did. Thank you guys once again for all of your support. I can't thank you guys enough. It's because of you guys that the channel has grown, and thank you, Capri Tools, for giving me the opportunity to kind of share my background, not only with you guys but my viewers and possible future Capri Tools customers. So thank you guys once again, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, the Capri Tools website will be linked down below if you would like to check out the new products or if you want to read the article. So thank you guys so much. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.